in the room where you guys can see, we could take a swing breakout. So usually when that happens, when we have two setups, we kind of take the one that has the better risk parameters, so that we can get the most out of the trade. And so if we're looking for the swing breakout, here's the top and bottom of the channel, 2909 at the top, 2990, or I'm sorry, 299.09 at the top, 295.80 at the bottom of the channel. So that's the parameters for the top and bottom of the channel. Now, for the swing breakout, you add 25 cents to the top of the channel, and then you subtract 25 cents from the bottom of the channel. The bottom of the channel is where your stop is going to be, and your entry price, the top of your entry price, the high of your entry price is at the top of the channel. So it's got a little kind of a zone feel to it. But of course, again, swing breakout, if you're interested in learning more about the swing breakout, you can access a video lesson about it in the Documents tab. If you look at the first probably 5 or 6 lessons, it should be in there. I'll reference it. It's called the 2019 Swing Breakout Setup.